For full disclosure, these lights were sent to me for evaluation, but all opinions are my own. Whoa, guys, right here, we got the Govee Lynx Dream Light. These lights are awesome. Super pumped to try them out. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and let's light up our Christmas tree over there with some Govee lights. Ta-da! Boom, boom. Oh yeah, there's the lights right there. We got a little user manual. Simple lights, here they are. Looks like everything comes pre-set up. Just plug this into a wall and you're ready to go. Water resistance, and they're shatterproof. Look at that. I don't have to worry about breaking them. These are perfect for outdoors as well, but we're gonna keep them on indoors and light up our Christmas tree. Plug into the wall. We got a little light switch right here. This is a, oh, look, they're on. Yo, look at that. We got Govee lights. Ooh. I like that they're shatterproof. I don't have to worry about shattering them. Yeah, there we go. Get the Govee app. Let's go ahead and click add right here to add a new device. We're gonna look for outdoor lighting. These are gonna be the H7020. These one right here. Oh, here we go. We found it. Let's go ahead and click next. Connecting to the bulbs right now. There we go. Are connected. So we can change the name if we wanted. We'll keep the same name right there. And it's setting up the lights right now. Boom! It's set up and ready to go. We have a Christmas mode right here under live. Yes! These are Christmas colors. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and decorate our Christmas tree right now with these Govee Lynx String Lights. These are modern LED lights that are literally shatterproof and they're weather resistant too. And you can use them for any day of the year, holiday, whatever it is. And we're just gonna wrap them around the Christmas tree right here so you can see how beautiful these lights are. So now we have all the lights turned off except the Govee Lynx String Lights, and they look marvelous. We got Christmas mode, of course. Right now, this is in Christmas mode. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. But at the instant of an app push, you can change it to carnival mode. You can change it to competition mode. Look at that fierce lighting. We got dancing mode right here. Ooh, nice and calming and a little bit fast. We got some spin mode right here. There's the spin mode. Oh, that's interesting. Very neat. All with a push of an app. These are all preset scene modes, guys. You can change it to like a flying mode right here, a candy mode. Oh, I like this. This is probably my favorite mode right here. We got the cheerful mode right here. This is cheerful. And don't forget, we can change the brightness. Right now it's at 100% brightness. You can dim it down. Less bright right there. It's about 39%. You can dim it down really low, very low light. We just love to have bright lights. So there we go. There's the bright light. You can also have it just bright in the mode as well. This is bright. And we just have illumination. So some classy light, like a white Christmas. There you go. You want white Christmas? There you have it. You have music mode right here. So boom, boom, boom. You see? It sings to the music. Pretty cool, right? All right, and you can change different rhythm too. Boom, boom, boom. So that's rhythm. So you can do so much. My favorite is this candy mode right here. Boom, candy mode. Look at that. That's my favorite right there. And these are so good, guys. These are the Govee Lynx String Lights. I'm loving them. You can use these indoors, outdoors. These are weather resistant. They're shatterproof. These are 15 bulb set. They are 15 meter long and they just work. The app makes adjusting the colors so easy. I'm absolutely loving these Govee Lynx String Lights.